breaking update that's coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu. Could we be looking at another sunrise? And the pun there is intended, that is for the DMK sign there. We are learning Stanley Jr. might be getting the Deputy Chief Minister's post. All this expected before Stalin heads to the United States on the 22nd. So this means that in the next few hours, you could have that important update coming in. And if that happens, Varshini, what would that mean? You know, many said that this is something that was in the offing. Perhaps Stalin was taking a little bit time. He was a little hesitant, you know, gauging the mood of the people around, of his own cabinet, considering, you know, there are serious charges again of nepotism that will go, party that is driven by just one parivar. Is Stalin okay with that?
Well, if you see, these kind of speculations have been on the rounds for a very long time now. In fact, for the past 6-7 months, this has been ongoing, and there has been a lot of people who've been discussing this matter. But right now, this is once again surfaced because of the US trip that Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is about to undertake on August 22nd. Therefore, before he goes, there might be an elevation, is what our sources say. On the other hand, what is also important to note at this point is that a cabinet reshuffle is also on the cards, and this discussion regarding what kind of a reshuffle this is going to be is underway. And if at all some important portfolios get exchanged or transferred, or if there are new ministers being introduced into the cabinet, then this might also be an additional, new announcement that is expected to come in, is what one can understand at this given point of time. Nothing is confirmed as of now, and there's no official confirmation made by the DMK as well. But, there is talks and speculations doing the rounds that this might, very soon happen. And this is also because there is, an expectation that Udaynithi Stalin, who's the Chief Minister's son, would be given additional responsibilities, is what we are given to understand at this point of time.
All right. And he had, Varshini very famously said that Sanatan Dharma is like dengue and malaria. So we'll let our viewers decide whether the DMK is, willing to firefight that, and they believe that Udaynithi is the only one who deserves that position. Does he have merit? Or more to that story, we'll track that and much more. Thank you, Varshini, for breaking that here on the show. With this, it's also time for us to head into a quick break.